attention.
Get something in your teeth. Oh yeah, spicy.
Ooh. It's too hot. We gotta end it. We are family. I got my kimchi and pork belly. Hey everyone, James and Mark here with another mukbang. If it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button. Today we are going to be making
pork belly.
Ooh. You claim that this is the best way to make pork belly. What's the big deal?
We're just grilling it. No, but we're grilling it with kimchi. For some reason, cooked pork and kimchi together works really well.
Is it better matched than you and me?
Who's the kimchi and who's the pork belly?
Oh gosh, I think I'm the pork belly.
We also bought this pan straight from Korea. I'm so excited to use it. And then we're keeping it simple. Lettuce, potato leaves, cayenne peppers.
You picked up some beautiful slabs of pork belly from the Korean market earlier.
So this is almost 2 pounds worth, and I got the thick cut kind.
So it looks like our New Year's resolution isn't eating healthier, is it?
It's eating well.
Eating well, yeah, because in 2020 we didn't do that at all.
And which improves our mental health.
Oh, that's true. I've gotten hangry a few times at you and it ain't pretty.
And for our sauce, we're doing our samjang and sesame oil and salt and pepper.
Tell me a little bit about the kimchi, because the kimchi looks almost like something out of an alien movie. When you pulled it out of that bag earlier, I was kind of like, what is that?
Well, that's how kimchi is made. But we always buy the one that's already pre-cut. Kimchi is made using the whole cabbage piece. And then each layer, you put the kimchi filling in.
And of course, later on, we're going to be drinking a little bit, because you can't have a pork and kimchi party without what?
Soju.
Soju. That's just quintessential.
Oh. Now, do you think we could fit this last one on here?
I think you feel like there's enough room in this bed for everybody.
If it's too much, we'll move some pieces and finish cooking it off later. We're taking a break from chummy. We're drinking a Quezon instead. Oh.
Wow.
Ooh.
Oh, look at that.
You need to see a close-up of this. Now, I already know that the pieces in the middle is gonna cook faster.
Sure.
One reason why I wanted to get this style of pan is because notice that all the fat from the pork belly is getting collected and pulled in the middle. And when we grill the kimchi, isn't that perfect?
If you close your eyes, it kind of sounds like a really hard, like a heavy storm coming down.
Did you even notice we have new Korean barbecue scissors?
I did not notice the new scissors, but if you guys are keeping track, how many scissors do you think we have in our house now? Do you guys see that hot spring of pork belly fat right in the center? Wow.
The garlic said they wanted to join in on the party too.
Oh, okay.
So let's just throw some garlic in the middle.
Wow. That's gonna absorb all of that like pork fat and juice.
Let's sneak in a taste test. There's some good pork belly here, huh?
I just love how you really don't need to even do anything. Like, you didn't even season it, right? We just dip it a little bit in that sesame oil, salt and pepper mixture, and you're like,
All right, let's add the kimchi in now.
See, look at that. Oh, like the mothership just came home and like docked in this.
How does this look?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh.
Cheers.
Our second cheers of the night. Oh, so good.
I know.
I want another piece. This time with some samjang. Oh, it's so good with the samjang. It's so good with the samjang too. I kind of want to make a wrap. Now, I didn't cut these, so I'm just gonna
Oh. Oh, come up for air.
Oh, the pepper is
Spicy?
spicier than it looks.
Uh-oh. Did you do kimchi for that or no?
Not yet.
Not yet?
But the kimchi is almost done. You have older kimchi, that's probably better. Anytime you cook with kimchi, the more fermented it is, then it tastes better. Yeah.
It's gonna be a disaster. I could already...
Yeah, hold it. Yeah, and then rip it.
I thought my thumb came off for a second. Morning, this ain't gonna look pretty.
Ooh.
Nice as hell.
Let's try a piece of kimchi. Just want to try without the pork belly first. That's good. Oh.
Wow.
Wow. I'll try it with the pork belly.
That is so good. I can only imagine how delicious it'll taste with the pork belly. Wow. It's so good. Oh my god. I don't know why peanut butter and jelly gets all of the like hype. This is the ultimate pairing of food, guys. I want to stick around to the end of this video because we're not done eating. After we finish this, there might be something in store. Maybe next time we should just cook this outside. So like we're in the cold. I don't know. It feels like that would be very like
camping?
Yeah.
It feels like we're outdoor and camping. It just all works well together.
I'm gonna say the flavors. So like we started out with pork belly, excellent. Then we add the kimchi with it, excellent. Then we make a wrap out of it, excellent. Then you add the garlic. It keeps getting better. Is there anything else back there that you're gonna surprise me with?
Oh my god, the soju cherry on top. It helps finish it down for you. Oh my god.
Let's do a replay of me right now.
Once in a while, I'm like eating it by itself.
Yeah.
Too.
It just seems so wrong that it's like sitting in all the oil there and yet I'm taking it out to dip it into another oil bath. We've been doing a lot of live videos. If you guys have never checked out our live videos, we do them Mondays and Fridays, 6 p.m. Pacific time. It's been a while since we've done this, like what we started out doing. We're going back to our roots, guys.
My roots are showing. I have to dye my hair. What are you trying to say?
You know what? You barely have white hair. It's like every morning I'm like doing that thing where I rake it to like I rake my comb over and I get a lot on this side.
Me too. I get me.
Your right side?
Yeah.
And you know, there's that saying when you like pluck one white hair, 3 grow back.
Yeah.
I think the saying should be when you pluck one white hair, you pluck 3 black hairs too. In the attempt to get that one white hair, it's always so elusive. It looks like you have it, and then you're like, oh, I got it, and then you pluck it, and then you look at it, and it's a black hair.
That's how you pluck hair. Because when you do it to me, you're like, oops, sorry, oops, sorry. I'm like, why does it take you so many attempts?
This is why I don't want you to drink more soju. Mmm. The rice is so good.
My rice tastes good because earlier I was resting the kimchi on top and all the residual like kimchi and pork flavor like absorbed into the rice.
That sounds amazing. I think that could be a dish by itself. Oh my god, it's so good.
So good.
Why are you doing this to me?
What? What do you say? Should we try making the fried rice?
You need to preface that that's the surprise.
Oh, no, you mentioned it earlier.
I said you stay towards the end of the video and we will have a surprise for you. Did I not say that? I never said fried rice.
Oh, you did.
But that's what we're doing today. It's okay.
Yeah, let's do it.
So,
you know what? I think. Well, are you gonna finish your rice?
Yeah, I want this. This does not volunteer to be tribute. This is rice for me.
Grab as much pork belly.
Explain to people who have never maybe had this type of cuisine, why in the world is there fried rice at the end of the meal? Where's the yogurt? Where's the like pie? Like, why is there fried rice?
That's how Korean people do dessert.
That's why I fell in love with the Korean. It's amazing, guys. Like, basically everything that you see here will be transformed into a fried rice, and it's amazing. Did I say amazing a lot already?
Cut this a little smaller. Very soon.
Guys, so earlier Mark mentioned how a little bit of that kimchi on the rice was amazing. So now he's just trying to get into my pants tonight. Look at this. Are you?
What? There's other
Now
ways
you,
to get into your pants.
ow, this hurts. It's splattering. What's the other ways to get into my pants? Excuse me?
Girl, your pants is always off.
Do you want to play truth or drink again? Because we can go down that road again. Bish, please, you are way more naked at home than I am. Like you have less clothes on than I do, I feel like. See, you can't even refute that.
I don't know what to say.
Some mornings I wake up and he's in the buff and I'm like, when did this happen?
Wait, I'm in the buff? What
Like
does that mean?
the nude.
When?
I can name like the last 2 or 3 times. Might have been a night where we did a live and that's all I have to say. Maybe Mr. Daesun or Mr. Chummy was involved too. I really do apologize if you are trying to eat healthier and you are watching our video right now. I feel like a horrible person. And or if this is helping you curb your appetite, that's okay too.
Like, we're eating a lot of kimchi. Kimchi is a World Health Organization's designated superfood or whatever. And we're eating a lot of greens, so it's kind of balanced in a way.
I am so glad you're a history major and not a nutritionist, cause girl, I am not buying what you're selling.
Oh no.
I mean, like, no.
Normally fried rice, we add sesame oil, but instead of grabbing our bottle that's way over there,
Oh, yes.
I'm gonna just use our leftover
Oh,
sesame oil
excellent.
sauce. It's already seasoned too, so let's do.
Now, is sesame oil also on the World Health Organization list of superfoods?
Just add our dried seaweed. You know the ones that people are, it's really popular, this rectangle?
Yeah.
What
Like, people eat it as snacks
people
these
eat a snack
days.
with rice. You could use that, but we have this one too. It's already in pieces.
It's like tortilla strips, but seaweed. Hey, there's nuts in there too.
So look at, oh my god, look at our fried rice.
I feel like this situation here, they have a theme song. Do you know what theme song I'm thinking of? We are
Family.
I got my kimchi.
Garlic and pork
belly.
Oh, it's steaming hot.
Steaming
still.
hot, so you gotta be careful. Ooh, I'm a little buzzed. I start adding S's to everything when I'm buzzed. Oh, nope.
It's hot. I know it's still gonna be hot. Oh, hot.
Oh, hot.
Oh, that is beautiful. Hot. Drink your beer. That deserves another test on.
RIP to like 60 taste buds just right now. Lips are glossy. You saving that for later? Oh, that might help.
Folks, if you're into lip gloss, don't spend money at Sephora. Don't. Just rub your lips against the hot oil of your pork belly.
So you have to make a little hole here and then you just... Girl, this is a disaster already. I feel like a disaster. Am I okay?
You're okay. You're slouching a little bit, so that means you're not okay.
Wait, you sit up straight. Okay, while we blow on this, are you the kimchi or are you the pork belly?
I'm kimchi because I could be picante.
Actually, Mark's screen name back in the day was Kimchi for Life. And then when I like started messaging him, I was like, I actually didn't even like kimchi when I met you, because I didn't even eat kimchi growing up. I was like, I'm like really into this guy, but his name is Kimchi 4, the number 4 Life.
Okay, I was in middle school when I came up with that name. One of my earlier like email address that I had was kimchi4life@hotmail.com. But I don't use that for anything but like when you have to sign up for things like a mailing list or when you order purchases online. I get so embarrassed when the store clerk is like, what's the email address you want me to use? I'm like, it's I don't even say Kimchi for Life. I say it's just KIMCH. Like I just spell it out.
Oh, eat this pepper. This pepper is spicy. You'll like it. Too spicy. Ah.
Oh yeah, spicy.
Oh, when did this?
We didn't even eat spicy food today.
I just told you that pepper was spicy. Smell again? Ooh, let me see.
Where is it?
Bottom row.
Okay.
I have another question for you guys. Are you that friend that will tell your friend if they got something in their teeth or their zipper is down? I don't judge either way, but let me know down in the comments.
Yeah, if I'm close to them, I do. But I hate it when they don't know what I'm trying to say. They're like, what? I'm like,
oh, and they make more attention.
There's something in your teeth. And then everyone's like,
why do you have to use names? You're not discreet at all.
No, because I remember that happened with Melissa once. Because like, I'm trying to tell her, I was like, I'm kicking her on the table and we're at a restaurant. She's like, what? Like touching her chin instead. I was like, wow. And I get frustrated.
Ooh. It's too hot. We gotta end it.
What's your verdict? Is this one of the best way to eat pork belly?
So it's not clickbait, it's true.
It's true.
It's true. All right, well, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Join our Discord, that's in the link down below in the description. Subscribe, and we will see you in our next mukbang. Love you guys, and you know what? We should do our exit song. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We are family. I got my kimchi and pork belly. Bye.